Previously on Maya.
कितना अजीब लगेगा राहुल that you are in the house and you didn't even meet them.
अरे तुम चाहती क्या हो यार? Just because your friends are coming, you want me to be out? Sonia?
Sonia suffering from retrograde amnesia.
ये सोनिया का लैपटॉप है. She's got a blog. She had a secret life, Shalini.
For now, पढ़ लो. Just read it.
Can you imagine the odds, chances of her being right in front of me? ये किस्मत नहीं थी तो और क्या था? एक आधी मुलाकात में वो मेरी जिंदगी का इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा बन गई. To know that there was someone else like me gave me happiness after a long time. It was like I was on a deserted island and there was a boat coming towards me. It's strange. Lekin I found happiness in a stranger.
If this is how unhappy you felt with your wife, तो उसे छोड़ क्यों नहीं दिया तुमने? You could have just divorced her.
राहुल, मैंने 3 घंटे पहले तुम्हें मैसेज भेजा था. कम से कम रिप्लाई तो कर लिया करो.
Just got stuck somewhere.
Oh my God, ये खून कहाँ से आया तुम्हारी शर्ट पे? Where were you?
वो मैं घर आ रहा था. रास्ते में I saw an injured boy. He was victim of a hit and run, so I just had to help him.
Help him? Are you out of your mind, Rahul? You can't be doing all the social work. पुलिस केस हो जाते तो? इतना नहीं सोचा तुमने कि you are well known in the high society as my husband and as a son-in-law of this huge builder. कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती तो me and my father would have been a target in the media.
नहीं सोचा मैंने. For me, saving a human life was more important than saving a non-existent reputation of yours.
You're such an asshole, Rahul. I was wrong. I shouldn't have asked you to leave the house. But sometimes I become so possessive about you. Because I love you.
Diya, have I ever given you a reason to be insecure? Ever? Then why the hell are you so possessive about me?
I know. But मैं क्या करूं? मैं बहुत हेल्पलेस हूं. मैं जब भी किसी और लड़की को तुमसे नजरें मिलाते देखती हूं तो I feel like plucking her eyes out. Anyways, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Diya, can I ask you a question? And I need an honest answer. अगर मेरी जगह तुम्हारा हस्बैंड कोई और होता, तब भी तुम उसके लिए ऐसा ही फील करती? Jealous and possessive.
Yeah.
Then what's special about me? Real estate. I'm just real estate. दिया खन्ना की private property.
ऐ जिंदगी आगोश में ले ले मुझे. भरम ही सही एक बार तो जी लूं तुझे. आँख में रहे है जो छू सकूं न हाथ से. कुछ है या वो कुछ नहीं. क्या पता जिस्म की रवानियां क्यों थमी लगे. घूट हर दफा बस यूं ही मुसलसल चलता रहा, क्यों नहीं मुकम्मल अपने आप को मैं मिल सका। सुन जरा
वो वाला दिखाइए।
ऐ जिंदगी, ऐ जिंदगी आगोश में ले ले मुझे, कर है भरम, भरम ही सही, एक बार तो जी लूं तुझे।
जी
माया,
सोनिया, सोनिया।
इतने टाइम से अपनी दुनिया में इतना अकेला हो गया था कि ये भी भूल गया कोई और भी हो सकता है मेरी तरह, who feels the same way, the same loneliness. It was quite obvious. She was living a lie too. She was hiding a true self, her fantasies, her desires from her husband, from society, just for the fear of being judged.
अभी I was reading about my condition. मुझे पता चला है कि hypnotherapy is a very good option to try to make me remember everything. You think we should try it?
Sonia, these are just alternative therapies. I've spoken to the other doctors and trust me, we're going to come with the best course of action for you. You just relax.
Sometimes I feel कि तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो. Is there something I should know?
Something about what?
Something about me. What happened to me in the past 6 months?
I wish I knew, Sonia, कि तुम तुम्हारी जिंदगी के 6 महीने क्यों भूल जाओगी.
Swear on me, Abhi. I can see something has changed.
Oh God, can you please stop? There's nothing wrong. All right?
Abhi,
Yeah.
I love you. Hi.
I'm sorry, I just landed up here. I didn't know where else to go. Called up the hospital and asked them to cancel all my appointments for the day.
Why?
घर पे ब्लॉक पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बट सोनिया इज जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट मी. वो जानती है मैं उससे कुछ छुपा रहा हूँ, और अगर हॉस्पिटल में पढ़ो तो मेरे पेशेंट्स. It's like I'm this great neurologist who's curing people's mind, and here I am with no goddamn idea what's happening to my wife's mind.
Come on. You're just being too hard on yourself. मुझे लगता है you're in too much hurry to come to a conclusion. पहले पूरा ब्लॉग तो पढ़ लो.
मैं जानता हूँ मुझे ब्लॉग कंप्लीट करना है, but it's getting harder to read. And why do I need to do this? Huh? You're the person who betrayed me, who kept me in the dark.
Abhishek, I know this is difficult. But ask yourself, क्या तुम पूरा सच जाने बगैर रह सकते हो? Don't you want to find out why? So make yourself comfortable here. I have to leave for work. There's a stock fridge inside. You can help yourself. Bye.
Thanks.
Hello and welcome to my BDSM podcast. A lot of us find ourselves alone, without any partner with whom we can share our fantasies or cravings. And yet, we need to live them. So, what do? There are a lot of ways by which you can bring your fantasy out into the real world. And that's what we're going to talk about today: self-bondage. Now imagine that you're at home alone, and imagine that you're craving to tie yourself up.
ओ जिस्म में ये प्यास कैसे बर्फ भी है आग जैसी जिस्म पे पिघलने लगा है मुझ में यूं तो ढलने लगा है Take me higher, you take me closer, take me higher, you take me closer. मैं लफ्ज़ हूँ, तू है ज़बान, जैसे भी कर मुझको बयां जज़्बातों का आवारापन तेरी पनाह मांगता।
इन रेशमी सांसों तले फिसले बदन अब थाम ले इस इश्क के सैलाब में बहती है दो कश्तियाँ तू मेरा होके यूं मुझ में समा जरा खो जाए मेरे निशान आवारा मौजों का दीवाना कारवा मांगे है तेरी पनाह
You take me higher, you take me closer, take me higher, you take me closer.
You
Take me higher.
हाय, वेयर इज ही? कौन?
तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड जिसकी वजह से यू बीन इग्नोरिंग योर बेस्टी कहाँ है?
अरे नयू, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार।
बेडरूम में है क्या?
अरे नयू, तुम जानती हो कि सालों से मेरा एक ही बॉयफ्रेंड है, हु इज नाउ माई हस्बैंड।
अच्छा, देन व्हाई हैव यू बीन मेकिंग सो मेनी एक्सक्यूजेस एंड नॉट मीटिंग मी?
एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं यार, मुझे जेन्युइनली काम है, सच्ची।
अच्छा ठीक है, जो भी काम है ना वो कल करना। टुडे इज माई डे। और पता है आज ना सेल का लास्ट डे है, वी हैव टू गो शॉपिंग। और मैंने ना फेसबुक चेक इन कर दिया दैट आई एम शॉपिंग विद यू। अच्छा ठीक है, चलो।
यू एंड योर फेसबुक, हाँ।
अच्छा ठीक, जल्दी जल्दी रेडी हो जाओ।
Fine, fine, I'm going. Oh, I like this dress also. Hi.
हेलो मैम।
वो वाला टॉप दिखाइए ना प्लीज।
जी।
See this?
शिफॉन
This is nice.
ब्लैक वाला दिखाऊं क्या?
I like it. नहीं नहीं, वो ब्लैक वाला नहीं। वो वाला दिखाइए। हाँ, वो वाइट
ये वाला?
नहीं वो
1 minute, हाँ.
वो नहीं हाँ ये जी
माया,
सोनिया
Hi, you're still here?
Yeah. Sorry, I just hijacked your house.
That's all right.
Wine? What are we celebrating?
Actually, I'm expecting someone else. So,
Oh. You have a date. Sorry. मैंने तुम्हारे घर पे कब्जा कर लिया. I think I should get going. See ya.
Abhishek, you know it gets really lonely when you don't have anyone.
Sometimes it gets lonely even if you do. Sonia? 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 Hey, 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 hey. It's me. It's me. यहाँ क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing here?
What time is it?
Somewhere around 8 o'clock.
I remember it was 4.
What? What happened at 4? What were you doing?
I was reading a newspaper and then I saw something and I blacked out. I don't remember Abhi.
Newspaper. What did you read? क्या देखा? Show me the newspaper.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. I was reading this page and it was here on this page, Abhi. I don't know what it was. I don't remember. I don't remember what it was.
Show me.
I swear on you, Abhi. I saw it on this paper and I just blacked out.
Some kind of news that could have triggered some memory. Think, Sonia. This can be very important.
Oh my God. But I did something terrible.
You haven't.
And I saw it in this newspaper. I can't breathe. I can't. Abhi,
You're just getting another panic attack.
I can't
Listen to me.
breathe.
Listen to
I
me.
can't breathe, Abhi.
Sonia.
I
Sonia,
can't
just
breathe,
listen
Abhi.
to me.